Hello sisters and brothers, let's get into the review of Full Throttle Profits. Okay, so this is a front preview of this tool, and this tool is totally based on video tutorials. Okay, so before getting into the review, let me just show you which bonuses I am giving you. Let me show you the bonus value. You can see $6,397 custom bonuses I am giving you totally free with this software. Once you have brought it from my side, you will be given totally free. This I will show you also the bonuses, or you can use the video chapters to go to the bonuses directly. Okay, so now let me just give an introduction of this tool or the purpose of this tool. Okay, so this tool is totally based on ClickBanking training. Exactly, I was not aware of this topic, ClickBanking training. I was not aware of this topic before getting into this tool, but once I have faced this tool, and then I just started googling it and just aware about it, and I want to tell you that it is not this ClickBank, not the affiliate platform ClickBank, but it is telling about solo ads or ads or which online ads we earn from. Okay, so this type of ads clicking. Okay, so this tool is totally based on ads clicking, online ads clicking, and making profit, make earning. Okay, so there are so many trainings they will give you. Okay, let me just show you. Before getting into the ClickBanking training, you just have to, or you should go, if you are a beginner, you should go to the Rotator is a very important thing for this kind of online ads. Okay, or running solo ads or earning daily. You with this tool, they just assure you that you will get 100 leads free leads every day. Okay, so you should go to this Rotator tutorial. Okay, there will be a Rotator page which will maintain your click percentage, your click ratio. Okay, I am not aware detailedly about it, but I just have a bird's eye overview knowledge about it. Okay, so Rotator contains with 5 tutorials and with so many description also, so you can go through this video. Each video will help you very much, and after that you just can go through the autoresponder section, which will show you how to build an email list. I am aware about that, and I will show you. Okay, once I have clicked here, this is basic autoresponder setup, and you can this will be your base, your roots. Okay, your earning roots. Okay, so there is also a talk lies there that once who have bigger list, he will earn bigger, or he will, once who have more email lists, he will earn more profit or more money. Okay, so that is why they will give you the knowledge about autoresponder and collecting the emails and collecting your customer base, maintaining your customer, nourishing your customer, engaging your customer, everything, free stuffs for your customer. Okay, so they will show you that things also within 5 videos, and after that they are also giving you in the front end section. These type of things are all coming in the front end section. Okay, which costs only, okay, I will reveal the cost after some time, cause it will surprise you. Okay, I am sure that it will surprise you. So this is the ClickBanking training, not, I am repeating that, not this ClickBank, but this is a ClickBanking training which is about, or which is related to online ads. Okay, how to find ClickBanking partner, where to run ad. They are also giving you a community. Okay, where you can just get easy clicks, and they will help you, and they will also give you the bonuses, 4 bonus videos. Okay, so this tool, and also the upsells are given here. Okay, so let me just show you. If I go any solo ads group on Facebook. Okay, so this is a group. Okay, just let me show you that sometime you may see this type of things, that this is tier 1 traffic, this is sales traffic, I don't know exactly, but the buyers, the click rate, the CPC, click per cost per click ratio. Okay, so this type of things is totally handled, you will be handled, or you will be aware of with this tool. And once who are beginner and who are just moderate, and who just have started or started doing this thing 1 or 2 months only, they can easily trust this tool. Okay, I highly recommend them to this tool. Okay, so these type of things you will be given. Okay, you can just get so many clicks and so many conversions and sales also. Okay, see, so this is the fundamental things of solo ads, and they will be taught, this will be taught to you. Okay, my English is poor. Okay, so now let me just show you the bonuses, which bonuses I am giving you, which is collected from so many days, and just let me show you. So this is the bonus page, or the software page, or review page, whatever we want you can say. You will be redirected to this page once you have clicked the video description link, and you will be getting the bonuses and the software also. So this is the thing I have gone through all of this video. I will not tell you the false, but I have not gone through these bonus videos, but I have gone through these 8 click banking training videos, because I also need that, and that's why I have gone through that, and I have rated it 98%, because this is really worthy and the value for money is really good. Okay, so this tool is coming from $11.95, and they are giving you also the email auto responding stuffs also, and tutorials also, and also the rotator page, and the sales page tutorials also. So this is the front end price. These tools costs only $11.95, and this has also a downsell which is $4.95. Okay, so there are also a scheme of 30 days no question money back guarantee, and this is the demo. Okay, and you can go through this page, that what is this tool and the purpose of this tool and what will be given inside this. Okay, and who can use this. There are so many testimonials. I am sure that you have seen such kind of things if you are a marketer. Okay, so it will help you very much. So in my words, this is fully recommended for any beginner, and also for them who is on this ad campaigning section for 1 or 2 months, who have just started. Okay, I will highly recommend this tool for them. So this is the upsells. You can see click boosters, and in click boosters it is valued as $5,210, but you can get the chance having it within $17 downsell or $27 upsells. Okay, so the upsells 2 has 200 done for you email swipes and 4 free bonuses. I don't know what are the free bonuses. The upsells 3 is click booster agency license and 3 free bonuses, and the fourth one is Facebook free traffic loophole, and the 5th one is multiple Aweber hacks free bonuses. Okay, and the 6th one is full throttle profits commission boosts and bonuses. Okay, so now let me just show you the bonuses which I am giving you from my site. Once you have brought it by clicking these links or buttons, okay, you will be redirected to the software and also the bonuses. Okay, so bonus value is really huge. Now let me show you why I am telling you like that. So these are the bonuses. Now just let me show you. I am scrolling down. You can see I am scrolling down smoothly and it is not ending, and I have just put here near about 50 and exactly 50 bonuses. Okay, I have put here 50 bonuses, but the surprising things comes here that I have put as 270 plus mega bonuses, cause I was so tired, and I have put 270 plus bonuses as mega bonuses, which are stuffed with loaded with totally SEO tool and plugins and softwares also. Okay, most of them are softwares. Okay, it will be given to you once you have brought it from my site. So 270 plus 50, that means 320 plus bonuses and things will be given to you. So many case studies are also there. Okay, so once you have brought it from my side, you can click this blue link or blue button. You will be redirected to the bonuses and the software also. Okay, so that was the review. You can click this button also to get the software and the bonuses. Okay, so that was the review. I am signing out for the day, so bye bye.